Baby, I'm so glad you're home. I want you to meet my friend from charity. She's just outside. What's wrong? What happened?
I'm in the office a little bit.
So yep, we got a different kind of fields that would denote date, right? Based either for different kind of records, for example, or task or reminder. They would have like dueAt, or if it's a meeting, then it will have a scheduledAt, right? Um, yeah, and basically, and every time you record some facts or something in the Immortaldoc brain, then it will definitely have like recordedAt. And you know for usually for the journal facts, then we'll have like occurredAt. So the idea is like based for different kind of records. So we'll have like different kinds of fields that would denote the dates, right? So later down the line, when we want to recall some particular facts by specific date, or and all, that will be like really helpful. And also like it will also make your agent really smart, that it will be able to like figure out what kind of facts or records are the past, or what kind of records are present or future. You get the idea, right? Yeah, see, yeah. So now like our agent is like already smart, and that it's gonna will be able to like figure out like yesterday. Yeah, this is what I mean like before, right? So basically, based on different kind of yeah facts, we'll have like different kinds of date fields. So that's the whole idea. So basically, yeah, we're just trying to make our Immortaldoc core engine really smart, right? So the overall idea is the Immortaldoc, it's gonna behave as a human brain, right? That's the whole idea. And this whole thing, like it's still experimental. Let's see how far we go. All right, guys. All right, let's continue. Hmm. Okay, the next thing. So remaining items. Yep, yep. Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, in the same way, like we wanna categorize the records that would denote task or reminder. For example, I gotta buy milk, or I gotta buy bread. Remind me to buy some eggs tomorrow, right? And these are the data that would denotes some kind of task or reminder. So we wanna basically track them, right, based on different kind of status. So they could have a different kind of status as like open, completed, cancel, or archive. So yeah, later down the line, it will be like really helpful, like when we want to recall them, just like our brain, right? Like for example, later in the future, you might wanna like might wanna like recall saying tell me all the groceries that are still in pending, or what kind of groceries items that I need to buy tomorrow. So you get the idea, right? Okay, let's continue.
I wanted to hang out with you.
Let's go.
Okay, so what can your father do to make it up to you?
I want to see my grandfather. No. No. It's not gonna happen. I see Amos, that's it.
If you want to maintain the boundary or not compromise, take Noah to see him, supervise them.
Fine.
Great. Now, could you give me a few minutes to talk to the parents now?
Yeah. So let the codex work. There goes my buddy.
Now that we have addressed
Hmm.
Noah's needs, Candace, what do you need from Isaiah?
I mean,
When everything fits, popular temporal facet.
like we're on the same team. Like we used to be.
And what does that look like for you? Be specific.
I want Isaiah to attend to Father who is cares God. He needs to be work at work, not following no directions.
My job does not work that way. I'm always on call.
So the code normal is also left as a
I know it's not peaceful, but it's
focus taste. Yeah,
the goal is hard.
that's just good.
Hold on.
And Isaiah, what do you need from Candace and Winter?
I need to move back into my house and sleep in my
Yeah, just let it do its thing.
Candace, I understand your reluctance.
Right.
But
So
Isaiah is
if
trying.
So much.
so if we look at our day plans, this is where the codex is at, where we are at. Right. We still got like a few items to go here, but the idea is we wanna make sure like we kick up like 2 or 3 here, 3 minute mini, 3 tasks here, and then we'll jump back to phase 13 where we left off, and then we're gonna like finish 13 and then 14 and so on. So basically, I got the idea about phase 15 when we were working on phase 13, right? That's how we decided to quickly work on this phase 15 ideas, before continuing with the phase 13. Yep.
So you in trouble?
Let's see how we are going.
Talking to a person?
Nice. So it has finished writing code.
That's a text.
Yeah, it's doing its final check. Basically, it's gonna run the check against all the unit tests, and also linters.
Daddy always said, then he got himself a list.
Look around. I'm not daddy.
This is bullshit, Trey. At least he was honest about being a thief. You still carry around the journal like a picture carries a Bible.
You still married Mecca too?
Please. I wish I could forget his sayings, his philosophies. Nah, that journal is in writings. I fell into a bottle because of what's written there while you happily drank it. I know how to really make you money. My part is I take it.
Yep. So it's trying to commit the changes, right? We've been following the similar patterns for like for a long time, so it already knows our pattern. So that's why you see that it's trying to commit the changes that it has made. Why? Because it knows that because it just ran the test before, right? And it can see that the test, they passed 100%. So it thought that yeah, everything is good. So it decided to comment the changes. I mean, sometimes they could be wrong. What could ideally be a better approach is you let the codex do its thing, work on some task, and then and then just like pause it there. You can manually test it, and then once you manually test it, and you think like everything is working as expected, then only you can go ahead with the git commits, right? So yeah, otherwise otherwise you'd be committing stuff, and then if things doesn't work, and then you're gonna like change your code again, and you'll be committing again. Basically, it's you like you're just duplicating things. You're just like doing the same work twice, right? So it would just be ideal if you could like make sure the code that the codex is working as expected, and then only you could like commit them. Okay, so yep. And it also verifies the manual testable. This is how we could do it.
Did you notice anything specific about the suspects, Miss Douglas?
Right. Let's give it a try ourselves, right? So we will try to. Okay. Let's say let's say I want the Immortaldoc to remember that I need to buy some eggs tomorrow. Okay.
Why are you wasting my time asking these questions? Obviously, I didn't take anything. Can I go now? Sign your statement and go.
Right. Yeah. So as you can see in the actions, this thing. So Immortaldoc, it already knows that I need to buy some eggs, tomorrow. So which is 25th, right? So we have already written this record into our wiki based on different facets, right? So, the one we just like discussed before. Yep. So see here, the status is open, which means I haven't completed buying eggs, right? Let's try to like let's try. Okay, let's say I ought to buy some chicken as well. Yeah. Oh, I need to buy some chicken tomorrow as well, right?
Are you listening to me? Did you see Bianca?
Okay. Yeah, this is the similar kind of records, right? Okay, let's do it quite different. Yeah, so I bought, so which is a past, right? Which is a thing in the past. So I bought like 2 bottles of milk today, right? So what's expected is I'm expecting the status to be closed. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, yeah, completed, right? So the status is completed because I already bought milk. So unless I need to buy milk in the future, so this particular records can be you know can be termed as completed, right? And it is a thing in the past. So so like this will definitely help us, like if we later like recall if we later like recall all the task or reminder that's already been done in the future, past or present, right? um so okay, why don't I just show you, right? So okay, I'm the recall. Okay, tell me all the item that I need to buy tomorrow, right? Let's add some diagnostics as well, just in case. Yeah, I'd say if everything works great, then it should tell me that I need to buy some eggs and chicken tomorrow, right? Um, yeah, so tomorrow, yep, so eggs and chicken, which is good. Wait a second. I think we messed up. Okay, let me check against the codex. I definitely think like it should give you the human friendly language saying um, basically tomorrow you need to buy some eggs and chicken or something like that instead of like um, the short form. Okay, wait a second. Okay, I was expecting response in human friendly natural language, which I think was the case before. Not sure why. Let's this now. Did anything change? Yeah, you can always like go back and forth, try to confirm with your body. So and that's gonna tell you, right? So we had this recall summarizer. Remember, like we had um we had this flag LLM. So it was supposed to give us give back us the friendly response. Yep. So the answer came from the LLM recall summarizer, not the deterministic fallback. It's technically human rated, but I agree it fits in it to structured code. You tomorrow you need to buy. Yep. Exactly. This is what I was like expecting. Be concise, direct, and human readable. That's more. Yeah, can we do it now? Yeah, I just ask it to make the system prompt more human friendly, natural language. So the response would be like, tomorrow you need to buy eggs and chicken, right? That's how like we're gonna wire in our app later in our work, because like I said, like this is only the engine, your brain, the brain, and different projects like different app could potentially use the same engine later in the future. And I've already got like one project in the mind. Yep. So I mean that's how like whole thing started, right? You just like follow me on this journey, and you'll know. I mean, you'll get to know more like what projects I'll be working next. Basically, the next project would be hooking, this Immortaldoc engine with that project. Yeah, I'm really excited already. Right. Um, it just fixed. Let's see. Let's give it a go one more time. Right. Did it? Okay. Tomorrow you need to buy eggs and chicken, which is good, right? Let's try to wake up. Okay, tell me all the items that I've bought today, right? Let's just give it yeah, let's give it another try. I mean, it's similar kind of facts. I mean, similar kind of records. But see, I couldn't find any memory of the items you bought today. I reminded that you need to buy, which is okay. Wait a second. Did I? Okay. Okay. Let's try it in a different way. Did I buy any milk today? I don't know. Sometimes I couldn't find memory saying you bought milk today. Are you sure? Definitely, you definitely bought some milk today, right? Eh, okay, why don't we just check the main source of truth, right? Did it task and reminder. What was it? Tasks. Tasks. Oh, wait a second. Go to memory, wiki, task and reminder. I need to buy some chicken, which is good. Did we not add some records just before, like about the milk? Yeah, we did, right? So you bought milk on 23 and 24. Okay. Whoa, this is like this. Yeah, something is not right. Okay. Anyway, when did I buy? Let's try again in a different way. Have I bought any milk this week? Okay. Yes, this week you bought milk on there, and you bought 2 bottles. Yeah, which is okay because like yeah, this could be from the different one, but I don't know why it didn't work. Right, okay. Have I bought any milk this week? No. What was the okay? What was the query before that didn't work? Okay, did I build yes today? Yeah, any today. I couldn't find. Okay, this is not right. Okay, let's just go back to Codex and see and try to figure out like what's wrong. Okay, you see the problem, guys? Um, yeah. Okay. Just okay. I'll provide a sample taste, which is kind of weird. Not sure where it broke. Where it broke is something happened, right? You see the problem? Okay, the reproduction confidence determines every retrieval cost if there's any items versus action items, idle scans. Okay. Okay. First thing we need. Okay, this is what we need to figure out first, right? Like, I don't even know why this thing went to miscellaneous. Yeah, it was not supposed to go to miscellaneous, right? It's definitely like supposed to go to task and reminders because oh wait a second bought milk okay, kind of ambiguous, right? Like the bought milk, it could either go to journal or miscellaneous. Whoa, this is confusing. Okay, let me try to confirm with codex. Let's try this. Da, da, da. Yeah, we're just trying to make the job of our agent easier based on the different kind of filters, right? But there must be some smarter way. We'll definitely figure out. Figure it out slowly. This is a slow process, guys. We will work step by step. Remember to eat the dragon bit by bit, guys. Okay, let's give it a try one more time. Looks like it is fixed state, or so it claims. Yeah, let's give it a try. Yes, you bought milk today. You bought 2 bottles of milk. That's good. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's do it in a different way. Did I buy any milk yesterday? Let's see if this works. Yes, you bought milk yesterday. Sweet. Right. So it worked. But I'm still confused. Where should this kind of I don't know, break it's supposed to go? The sun is where John todos. Kind of ambiguous, isn't it? Yeah, this is exactly why the engineers both wiki category and semantic for this, right? For example, I bought milk today. Best target is probably journal, not task. Why it already happened? Yeah, it isn't even history record. So did I buy milk today? Or how many times did I milk this way? It's not an open disk anymore. Journal. It's about grocery status complete. Yeah, where each cancer go, right? Future open actionable items. Remind me to buy milk tomorrow. I need to buy eggs. Yep. Last events and activity history. I bought milk today. I was blah blah blah. Reference type blah blah. This fallback only when the engine kind of confident and yep, definitely. Yep, I agree. Yes, your milk versus it's not ideal. Yeah, it's the first thing I figure out is I figure out, yeah, let's fix it. Before we press it next. Yeah, while it does its thing, I'm gonna take a short drink break. I'm back. So the manual verification matches the intent display, but not today. Draws with journal. Will remind me about tomorrow. Check before committing. Yeah, in the meantime, let's start everything from scratch. Okay, I'm gonna reset whole memory. I'm gonna delete everything. You need to confirm when you're deleting everything, like when you're deleting memory, which is good. Now, if you have, see, the wait a second. Did okay? Give me a sec. Delete memory. Oh no, it's destroy memory. Yeah, destroy memory. Confirm. Nice. As you can see, all the existing wikis have been removed, right? Which means we can start everything from scratch. Okay, let's try with the similar data that we tried before, right? Okay. Remember, I bought 2 bottles of milk today. So here in Melbourne, it's already 25th of May. So let's see how it's gonna write to wiki. Okay. Right. Yep. So if you look at, it's about 2 bottles of milk. See, now it's writing to the correct file journal. Before it was writing to miscellaneous, which is kind of weird. Now, yeah, now it's fixed. Let's try another one. I need to buy some eggs and bread tomorrow. Okay. LLM approve. Right. You need to buy some milk on 26th, which is good. That's tomorrow, and it's and it's a definitely be written to task and reminders wiki, which is good. Right. Okay, let's try to recall. Do I have any things to buy tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow you don't have any time on next, so you don't have any items to buy. Your next shopping reminder is to buy on. Oh my god, that's gone mad. Definitely, it's gone mad. But tomorrow is, I mean, literally 26th of May, right? Okay. Well, see, this is what you mean by a lot of them hallucinate. Like they're not perfect. Okay, let's try to fix this. Fix this. Let's see. Do you know why? Contrast. Yep. It recognized the reminder data as data fulfilled to connect like it's tomorrow. Exactly. Do, 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 do. Oh, so this is definitely summarize only. Yep. Okay, we definitely don't want to hard code the time zone. Why? Because user could be from anywhere, right? So we want the agent to pick up the what do they say? The local time zone. Let it finish first, and then I'll just remind it about the time zone. Okay, let's see if this works. Looks like it's. Yeah, tomorrow you need to buy eggs and bread, which is great. But yeah, let's fix the time zone. Like we want the time zone to be flexible. It should pick up the local time zone. For me, it's definitely right because I'm in Melbourne, so the the right time zone is Australia, Sydney, but the user could be from United States or from Japan or from anywhere. Is it great, but I think is save hard coded the time zone. The user could from anywhere, like from United States or Japan. See, I think search the time zone should be flexible. What do they call it? Flexible? I don't know. I think you will understand. And I've turned to pick copy local time zone, right? See, it knows. Good catch. It's hard coded, but I ran time local time zone via. Ah, okay. So I'm checking the config path now. If there's no exclusive, what is? No, it's was it only for the test? Yeah, if it's for the test, then that's okay. I mean, for the real code, if it pick up the international, the local time zone, then it's all right. Yeah, which is good. But I let it do double check. Yeah, runtime is already local over though. Yeah, which is nice. Relying only on server machine time then is not enough for our future API multi-user. I'm adding a config override like Immortaldoc like time gen and member classification. TSA so which is good. Call time. Nice. Alright. Yeah. Well, okay, nice. Let's triple. Okay, almost done with it. Do this. How far? Oh, 4 days. Oh my god, it's all. So we've got 10 more minutes to go. Wow. Yeah, I definitely don't want the videos to be like really long. Then 1 hour. This is as raw as it can get, right? So everything is live, guys. Like I hate editing things anyway. just I just wanna show you how I work on any kind of project. Using modern software engineering, using AI coding agent. Yeah, it might not be perfect, but like it's just working for me. Yeah, I just want to share like how I work on a particular project. Right, which is good. And I just produce, then run alert, and then like, wow, nice, great. This will definitely help. Yeah, let's move on. Okay. So the next extra due dates appointment timer records due as we already start. Yep. But the reoccurrence is not modeled yet. So the next small part would be add a generic reoccurrence facet field. So after the open proposal scheme, so you can look up values like daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, maybe voice trace like app. You need to order the blunts every Sunday. Expected. I do that before. Yes, this is definitely one of the. Yeah, yeah, this is definitely one of the feature that I've always wanted to put in this project because yeah, I wanted to put. I mean, yeah, yeah. So yeah, later in the future, like when you when we integrate the main app, the main app that would integrate with the Immortaldoc core engine, then I want the user to be like notified of you know I want the user to be notified about different kinds of different kinds of activities or tasks or reminder if right. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. So that it should be like really simple as like user would would want the would want some particular activities to be scheduled for the future, and then user would be notified by it. Like it's just how you put the reminders in your phone, right? Mhm. Yep. So this will be the last thing that we will be working on today, and then we'll just wrap it up for today. Okay. So far, I'm having fun. I'm really excited, like how this whole thing will be turned out in the future. Because I'm really excited. I really think like this thing could go big if we design it properly. Yep. Honest. No fast. Nope. So what changed? So we're just adding a support to the reoccurring activities, which is good. Reoccurring reminders, task and go. Okay, we could actually like test it ourselves, right? Remember, remind me to take my medicine every day at 11 p.m. Okay, I'm gonna approve. Yep, so reoccurrence is daily, which is good. Okay, that's all. I feel like everything that goes to task and reminders need to be notified to the user, right? I feel like every action reminders need to be notified to the user. But the question is again, when to notify, right? For the reoccurring one, I mean, okay, it's the same issue. Like even for the reoccurring one, like how long before do you want to be notified? Do you want to be notified like at a specific time, or I don't know, 15 minutes or 30 minutes before actually the event occurs. Let's see what it thinks. What's choosing this. But everyone should notify. Okay, but not everyone should notify immediately or on the same schedule. What the user want done. Yeah. Temporal method when it matters like you do discussion. Yep. So should become like buy milk tomorrow, dueAt, notify eligible true, likely notify like morning or configure default before the yep. Fucking I don't know, maybe 24th before. And should not send notifications. Yes, I should expose enough structured data so we color. So the next strong designs like eligible true timing. But we should be careful not to overbuild, like the horseback could be simpler, add notification eligible to open a schedule. Yeah, great. Yeah, let's let's not make it complex. Other one just notification eligible. That should be enough for now. And we will try to figure it out more later when we work in recovery. Yes, this will be the flagship product, guys. Recalo, just watch it, and this Recalo will integrate the Immortaldoc engine in the future. I've already got it registered. Recalo.ai. Yeah, I got the exact husband. Okay, I'm just gonna push it. We're already 7 comments behind. Okay. Whoa, under 32 comments. See, we really worked really hard. Like I said before, guys, like it's an AI powered living, like AI memory system, or you could say living wiki, but it's definitely inspired by Andre Karpathy's LLM wiki pattern. But I'm just making it more structured. just trying to create a brain. The Immortaldoc will behave similar as our brain. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah, this change is just to add a new flag, just to figure, distinguish it, just to track if particular activities can be is eligible for like notification in the future. Yeah, we're just like structuring data at the moment, just structuring input and output, which will definitely be helpful for the Recalo when it integrates Immortaldoc. Yep, which is good. I think this is definitely a good spot to wrap up. But we can confirm with our buddy. This is a good spot to wrap it up. To wrap for today. Or do you wanna continue? Do you wanna finish something else? So we are on. I don't know. I just. Ask it. Yeah, this is a good spot to wrap. Yep, we just finished the clean first written slash, which is good. Yeah, I'll stop here rather than start the next papers, which is good. Yeah, so it's on next page step could be go back to phase 13 or anything left of this phase. Yeah, still as many. Okay. Finish phase 15 before going there, but yeah, why we are doing this is because phase 13 relies heavily on phase 15. Because remember I said like we we just when we were working on like phase 13 we had this idea, like whole idea is about phase 15, because we hit like certain problems there, so we're just like trying to fix it with the phase 15. Anyway guys, yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Ciao, see you tomorrow.